Welcome to the last episode of Scaping the Eastern Ghats. We are now at the last leg of the whole trip. As we didn't have much to explore today, we had a late beginning of the day, and that we started with a hearty breakfast.
So welcome back to another video, guys. I am Biswajeet and you're watching Two Men Two Bikes, and I am giving this intro in this ride after like 4 days, a proper intro for the first time. So it's about 10:30 and we have left our hotel and we are heading towards Duduma waterfall and Machkund project. We will be taking an alternate route which will take us through Jalaput water project or dam, and we just want to keep on riding in this beautiful valley. Means these humps are killing me since yesterday. So we just want to keep on riding in this beautiful valley for as long as we can. So Anshuman suggested that we shall ride to Araku Valley itself, which is just about 70-80 kilometers from here. We will see first. Let's go to the Duduma waterfall. From there maybe we'll put it in the map and see is it feasible to go or not. And for now I'll let you enjoy the view of the beautiful valley of Koraput, because our eyes can't get enough. I wish these were not farmlands and instead they were grasslands or meadows where we could take our bike inside. And the weather is also very pleasant, though it's a bit sunny, but we are not feeling that hot. Temperature must be around mid-20s.
The roads in and around Koraput are just gorgeous. Yes, there are a lot of speed breakers, but other than that, the roads are just wow.
So we have reached near Jalaput dam, or more like spillway, and from here there is bad road for some time, but there will be a beautiful view of the dam in just few meters. Till then just need to ride carefully. And here's the view of the dam. Oh my god, they have not opened. पानी नहीं बे. So we are finally at Jalaput Dam, and we have taken quite some nice drone shots, but I'll still show you the view from the mobile. Yeah, so this is the view. I won't be going that far, don't want to risk it, but this is the view of Jalaput Dam. There is one more reservoir spillway that side. We have taken the drone shots and we'll be driving on the dam's road. So see you in the GoPro mode now.
The most amazing part is being able to ride on this engineering marvel. And thanks to the drone, we were able to enjoy these structures from a different angle at its full glory. Now moving from Koraput to Duduma waterfall, no matter where you are treated with a majestic view. That's why we emphasize on taking a road trip around Odisha, as it's the best way to explore and experience it.
So just 6 to 7 kilometers away from Duduma waterfall, and just look at the view, man. I'm pretty sure this part of Koraput is not somewhere many people come. It's because the route to Duduma is different. By mistakenly last time, by following Google Maps, I came through here and saw the beautiful Koraput dam, and after that only I decided to take this route every time I'm going to visit Duduma. And yes, we have to ride through some very narrow roads which takes us through a very remote places, but that's the fun, right? That is the adventure. So we have reached the Duduma waterfall. This is the entrance, and don't be scared by the bad roads. You are heading to the correct location. And it's completely empty, just like expected. सीधा सीधा चल गाड़ी तो जाई हम भी पड़े ना तो लेफ्ट तो राइट सब अच्छी तीनटा वाटरफॉल. So we are finally at Duduma waterfall. Just behind me is the Duduma massive, means the current is in front of it, behind the camera. So it's very sunny, so I am not able to keep my eyes open. I'll show you. Won't be that clear. Let me try to zoom in a bit. You can see the current of the water is so powerful, and there's another one right there, but people are sitting. So anyways, we will be switching to another view soon, where we will be able to show you the whole area from a great perspective.
This place is like a vantage point to see all the three waterfalls, and the view itself is quite crazy and scary. But this time, as we had a drone, the view from the drone we were able to get was far greater than what we could see through the eyes. It's just wonderful how nature does such intricate work.
So we are finally done with Duduma waterfall as well, and are currently heading to the final destination of the day, that is Machkund River project. And Anshuman, why are you going that side?
Now, at some places Google Maps won't just work properly, so it's better to download the maps beforehand and always seek local help when in doubt. As I had been here before, I had some recollections of the roads, so we didn't face much trouble, but we certainly were doubtful at few places.
So this is the Machkund project where electricity is being produced. Hydroelectricity is being produced from here. You can see pipes going down through that mountain and lots of what do we call these, electric towers. I don't know how till where we are allowed to go, because on the map we are just 500 meters away, but we saw a few cars returning from here, so probably এটা কলেন্ডার না কোন এটা ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଇଟା जो माचकुंड जो आसंती लोक एटा ना आउ कोठी माचकुंड जो प्रोजेक्टटा एटा और हां और ना ना टूरिस्ट हाँ सी भी जानना एटा पावर ऑफिसटा ए भाई आम अलाउड नो आम तड़दे कंटिन्यू लॉस कौन भल पानी किंतु भूसभास हो जाऊँ देख हाँ यार कौट तुम भुवनेश्वर कौट देखू कहलु माने भुवनेश्वर कौट देखू सब वर्षा हेल्ले सुए जमी पा जाए ना आउ के देखा पाइबुनु अभी हम गलती से माचकुंड पावर हाउस चले आए थे एंड इट इज़ नॉट अलाउड फॉर टूरिस्ट एंड सो दे जस्ट सेंट अस अवे एंड वी आर गोइंग बैक. We won't be going to the actual Machkund project where tourists are allowed because we are very hungry and it's very hot. We will going to straight to the hotel now, so won't be recording anything anymore because the helmet is getting too heavy and I am having a severe neck pain now. So see you on the hotel, and this was it for today. The conclusion will be on the hotel itself. So we just had an incident right now. We have been riding in such bad roads for quite a while, and due to that I have lost one bolt from my top rack, due to which it is shaking really badly. So I have taken this stuff out. And I am put it in the backpack and wearing it right now, and I will have to search for a replacement bolt in Simligura. So we'll keep you updated.
So we are finally back at our homes, and the update from the footage you last saw is that I did find a replacement bolt after searching a lot, but it was not a perfect fit. So we did somehow manage to return back, though it was very frustrating journey because the distance from Koraput to Bhubaneswar through Salur Ghati is like 450-480 kilometers, and in that distance we had to stop like more than 15 times as the bolt was getting loose over and over again, and Anshuman was spotting me from behind, and whenever the bolt got loose we used to stop and tighten it. Now moving on, I don't know if you have ever noticed this in our channel, but this is the first time in Two Men Two Bikes history that we have created a ending video for a series. Like if you can go back to the Sikkim series, Vishakhapatnam series or the Sambalpur series, we have never made a video of us getting back to home. And this is the first time we are doing so because we have an important announcement to make. But since I have been talking since the last few videos, I'll let Anshuman do the talking.
So the announcement that Biswajeet was talking about was we are no more going to post videos in this channel. Well, if you ask us, well, this channel was all about two men on two bikes and doing trips all together. It was never a channel about what I am doing with my motorcycle or what Biswajeet is doing with his motorcycle. It was more of a duo story. Okay. Now, unfortunately, I had to come to a different place. Biswajeet had to stay in Bhubaneswar, so that's why we are very far away, and it's practically not possible to make this kind of duo videos anymore. We won't be doing much of our duo trips anymore. Like in future, obviously we will be doing trips together, but it won't be a much like I say if I have to say duo trips. Like we won't be riding together anymore like we used to do simply because of distance. So this is it. This is the end of Two Men Two Bikes. It's a very unfortunate end because it someday or later it had to come, but it's okay. So thanks guys. Thanks for all the love and support that you gave us, and to be very frank, we gained quite a lot from this channel. Means we gained a little bit of popularity, we gained a lot of knowledge actually. We learned so much, we discovered ourselves so much, and it was such a fun journey. But everything has to come to an end, so that's it. We never really post the ending of our trips simply because we are too lazy. Like we never posted for the ride of Sikkim, the Vizag series, and even in Kora. I guess this is the only trip in which Biswajeet decided, no, let's make a final video of this trip, and we just decided to include this one with this final part, you would say. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. I hope you like this series, and see you later. By the way, you can also follow us in Instagram. Like for Biswajeet, it's Biswajeet97 @Biswajeet97 in Instagram. For me, it's __APSF. I will link down our Instagram in the description, and you can follow us. You can simply check us out if you are really interested in that. But thanks for everything. Thanks for all the love and support that you gave us, and all the motivations that you gave us for keep on making these videos, because it has been such an absolute blast of a journey if you ask us, and it's quite a sad moment for us, but I think that's it. Thanks for watching and take care. Wish you a very good new year 2022. I hope it won't be as bad as 2020 and 2021. Anyways, take care guys. See you.